Let's dive into the intriguing world of the Dama, commonly known as the fallow deer. These graceful creatures are native to Eurasia, but due to their adaptability, they have been introduced to many other parts of the world, including the United States, Australia, and South Africa. Fallow deer are medium-sized, with males, known as bucks, weighing up to 100 kilograms, 220 pounds, and females, called does, typically smaller. One of the most distinctive features of the fallow deer is the buck's impressive antlers, which are broad and flat with multiple points, known as palmate antlers. These antlers are shed and regrown annually, each year becoming larger and more complex. Bucks use these antlers during the rut or breeding season to spar with rivals and establish dominance. Fallow deer exhibit a remarkable variety in coat colors. The most common is a chestnut coat with white spots that are more pronounced in summer, providing excellent camouflage in their woodland habitats. Other color variations include mennel, lighter with more distinct spots, melanistic, almost black, and leucistic, pale or almost white. Their diet is primarily herbivorous, consisting of grasses, leaves, acorns, and bark. Fallow deer are also known to browse shrubs and bushes, and they can adapt their feeding habits depending on the availability of food sources. This adaptability helps them thrive in diverse environments, from dense forests to open grasslands and parklands. Socially, fallow deer are fascinating and display a range of behaviors depending on the season. Outside the breeding season, they tend to form separate groups based on sex and age. Bucks form bachelor groups while does and their fawns gather in matriarchal herds. During the rut, which occurs in autumn, bucks become solitary and highly territorial, engaging in dramatic displays of strength and endurance to attract females and deter rivals. These displays include loud groans, scraping the ground with their antlers, and even physical battles. Fawns are born in late spring after a gestation period of around 230 days. Does usually give birth to a single fawn, which they hide in long grass or dense undergrowth to protect from predators. The fawn is nursed for several months, but begins to graze within a few weeks of birth. Fallow deer play a significant ecological role in their habitats. By grazing and browsing, they influence the vegetation structure and composition, which in turn affects other wildlife. Their presence can help maintain open spaces in woodlands, promoting biodiversity. However, in areas where they are overabundant, they can cause significant damage to crops and forestry. Conservation-wise, fallow deer are not currently endangered, but their populations need to be managed carefully to balance their ecological impact and minimize conflicts with human activities. Their adaptability and striking appearance make them a beloved species in many parts of the world, admired for their beauty and the role they play in their ecosystems.